A Prince find that, you know? Yeah, bro. Man. Prince find that, dog.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only per pressure, I'm a corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, hope you are doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Cenat enjoyed his time in Jamaica after joining the Road March festivities. We have witnessed Cenat vibing to Vybz Kartel songs in the past, and now he's adding his voice to the call for Vybz Kartel release from the grip of Paula Llewellyn, who is pushing for a retrial. While at Carnival in Jamaica, Cenat publicly expressed his support for Vybz Kartel, saying, "Free world boss." Check out the video.
Yo, Cenat. Yo, what, bro? What go on, you? What you dealing? Me I deal with nothing, you know. What you deal with that? You good? But free world boss, you know.
Free world boss.
Free world boss.
Fully guys.
Where the cat to them? Where the cat to them?
Be a girl over there.
So let's go over there to my youth. Let's go. Be a girl over there. So that's the me I go. Forward. Twist. So bad girl, be a bad girl. What with them? I said that, you know. Yeah, man, I'm going down. Pick up yourself. Yo, pick up yourself. Bless up, you know. So yeah, man. My boy Rayquan Jr. right there.
So right after that, Cenat had an interaction with Spice during his friend's live, where Spice said that Cenat could not manage her. Kai was just casually shopping for Clark shoes with him and his friends.
Big batty girl with a body girl with a big batty girl like Spice. Big batty like Spice. Big batty. Yo, big batty like Spice. I saw the half of my.
He then used this moment to jokingly demonstrate how he would handle Spice. Bro even asked the shop owner for permission before jumping on the counter, showing his respectfulness, and I love that.
Spice say you can't manage her, bro. What? Yo, tell Spice come see me. Spice, me can't manage you. She said show me. She said show me. She said show me. She said show me. Father, we can't do it. Yeah, we can't do it. Father, do it. We can do it. Yeah. We can't manage you. We can't manage you.
So before buying his Clark's, Cenat card was declined due to him being outside of the USA. Clark shoes is not cheap in Jamaica, but his friend graciously offered to cover the bill. This is what I'm talking about. It shows the importance of having supportive friends around you that are not just there to suck everything away from you.
I threw the man out of the client. I threw the thing on the client. Wait. I got you. Me pay for you. We are bomb. Let me think the client. Yeah, don't worry yourself, man. No, wait. They might text me. They tell me. Me confirm. Me confirm it. Don't worry. Me confirm it.
So during Cenat time in Jamaica, Kai connected with local influencer like Prince Pine in the streets, and the encounter was a memorable one. This interaction shows Kai's appreciation for Jamaican creators in the social media space, demonstrating his respect for the country's main players in content creation.
You know, of course, me know this. Hey, a real bad man, this, you know. If you don't know who this, you must have mad, you know. The men doing this since 2016, 2017. Yeah, man. Yo, Prince find this. I'm here. Push up far, bro. Alright, baby, wait. Yo, we are up there. We are going right now. Come in. Am I forward? Come in. Hello, a Prince find that, you know? Yeah, bro. Man, Prince find that, dog. You see me in tune. Me don't know.
A funny moment in Kai's interaction in Jamaica was when he met a Rastaman who jokingly let Kai know his price just went up. The Rastaman know his worth and warned them against exploiting his character without payment. The Rastaman defending his value. I exploit, not try to exploit. Check out the video.
You remind me of a sad Red Dead Redemption mission type. He remind me of a child, right or right? Father remind me of a side mission. Side mission. Oh, put on the cutlass, man. Yeah, money for what? I mean, what's wrong with him? Your father, what?
Exploit, man. You can't run in for. Give me something, man. No, listen, me a star, you know, Bridget. I'm not coming and put me on a blog. See, I'm not give me something as a star to start. Give me something. You can't just come and put a run for it. You can't just a blood clot. Exploitation. You're not black man, you're not exploit blood clot. You're not like him.
Kai was disappointed when he could not enter a building due to restrictions of recording inside. He was left surprised, and Kai said he has never encountered rules of him not being able to enter a building while recording, and he just decided not to enter the building altogether, so him and his team left, preferring to respect the establishment policies.
Come here, forward, come here. For my whole life, me I live. Me never hear somebody tell me can't bring no gun back like camera go a river. You see what I mean? Me can't. Man, them not tell me that. Lead the way, I can't bring camera river. We know what to lead on. That's just go down there and see the girl let them look nice. Me say okay, no. Bad. Blue over, clean. He said beer girl. Beer girl. We not go river. We go blue hole. I'm better tell you where we go. Go chance. I got blue hole. But go. Your place open. Go down there, man. That's what.
Extortion. Man, the man back all them business and bust blood clot.
Give me money. Give me money. Come on, father.
Give me some money. Money to because as a star, them a little bit of money. You give me some.
I just gave you a buck. Yo, watch out, man. We not make them boy go at the boy start. Come here. What's that Jamaica?
You are the ex-star.
Hey, Papa, you be ready. Money drop on the floor. There's go soft. The man say, yo, give me more money. Give me more money. Your father, give me more money. Your father almost smack this. Give me more money. Give me more money. Your father almost step on this. Yo, give me more money. Wait, what I did? Yo, let's step on the money. So, he said, yo, watch out. Give me more money. Give me more money. Oh my God, yo. Wine it. Yeah. Wine it, you know. Yeah. Wine it. Put it in there. Yes. Wine it, you know. Yeah. Yo, Kai, Cenat. Yo. What go on, you? What you dealing? Me I deal with nothing, you know. What you deal with that? You good? Bumba free world boss, you know.
Free world boss.
Free world boss.
Hooligans.
Where the cat to them? Where the cat to them?
Be a girl over there.
So let's go over there to my youth. Let's go. Be a girl over there. So that's where I go. Forward.
Hope you guys enjoy the content. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.